Hello, I'm Teacher Amanda. Welcome to Alpha English. In this lesson, we will look at vocabulary and conversations for going to the supermarket. Hey, Mum, what's up?
Oh, hi, Millie. There's nothing in the fridge for dinner. I've got so much to do, I just don't have time to go to the supermarket. I have to pick up your little brother from his after-school club soon. Let me think. I could cancel my meeting. Would you like me to go to the supermarket for you, Mum? Oh, yes, please, Millie. I just need 1 or 2 items from the supermarket. Let me go find a pen and paper. I'll write a little list for you. I thought you said you only needed 1 or 2 items. Don't worry, dear. It's not a long list. I just thought you could grab a few other items while you're there. But, Mum, that list looks very long. Don't be silly, darling. It's just the essentials. Okay then. I don't know where my purse is. Never mind, I'll pay. Oh, thank you, Millie. I hope this won't take too long.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello there. Could you help me find a few things on my shopping list, please?
Sure. What can I get you?
First of all, I'd like a tub of fat-free yogurt, please.
Here you go.
And can I have a litre of milk, please?
Full fat or fat-free?
Fat-free, please.
Sure.
I need 2 jars of peanut butter.
Okay. What else?
Can I have 2 cases of cola, please?
Diet or regular cola?
Diet, please.
No problem.
Do you have any sausages?
Would you like some of our delicious German sausages?
Sounds great. I'll take 6, please. And I'd like 5 cans of tuna.
Certainly.
Can I have 1 litre of oil, please?
Olive oil or vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil. May I have a jar of honey, please?
Sure. It's half price.
Oh, great. Thanks. Can I have a box of 80 tea bags, please?
Of course.
And 1 jar of full-fat mayonnaise, please.
All right.
Can I have some pasta too, please?
Our spaghetti is half price today.
Great. I'll take some.
Here you are.
Now let me see. What else? Oh, yes. A jar of chocolate spread, please.
My favorite.
Can I also get a bottle of hot sauce?
Anything else?
Yes. A loaf of bread, please.
Absolutely. Fresh from our bakery.
Thank you. And can I have a large bag of crisps, please?
We only have salted, I'm afraid. Is that okay?
That's fine. Can I get a box of strawberry ice lollies? Then I just have some household items and some toiletries.
Okay.
I need some dish soap and sponges.
Okay, anything else?
Let me have a look. Oh yes, a bar of soap and a bottle of shampoo, please.
Here you go.
And finally 1 toothbrush, please.
Here you are. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Mom. I'm home from the supermarket. I got everything on the list and Mum, what are you doing? Shh! Wait 1 second, I'm on the last level. But Mum, you said you were busy. Yay, I won! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. See you next time.